SPTV I.
What's up? My name is Ben, and today we're doing some more freelance graphic design work.
Freelance graphic design.
Wink. Okay, so we're doing some more work for a good friend of mine, friend/client, Lumpy Meat. I'll leave a link to his Twitch channel down in the description. He's a Twitch streamer. We've done a lot of work for him before, pretty much his whole channel. And he hit me up the other day, needing some more work done. We got to do 5 emotes, and then a stream starting soon screen, which is what we'll be doing today. And basically, he wants it to be like the a Doom scene. So I got the covers here from the 2016 and the original 1990 or whatever year Doom came out. Over here we got the Lumpy Meat character. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna try to kind of recreate this, substitute some of the skulls for just lumps of meats. Maybe we can do something fun with this giant demon skull in the background. Yeah, no, I'll kind of mix these two together. We'll probably put Lumpy Meat in a Space Marine suit, kind of like these, because Lumpy Meat himself is red, and this background is going to be a lot of red. So we got to make sure we can separate him from the background, which is probably one of the reasons why he's got a green armor in the first place. But yeah, so let's just get going. We'll do the illustration today, and then in the next episode we'll get those emotes done. So yeah, here we go. Okay, we're finished with the illustration. Really happy with it. This is one of the most fun things I've ever drawn. So yeah, it's a stream starting soon, and it's totally 100% based off of the original Doom cover. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. I turned all the demons into kind of these little meat-looking monsters to match Lumpy meat. For the ally soldier in the background, I made it Lumpy Juice, who's someone I've done work with before, and he's really tight with Lumpy meat. So it's kind of cool little cameo, I guess you could say. One more thing we gotta try out. We gotta see if I was talking to Seth, and he was saying that he wants to see what it would look like with fog in it, like composited into it. So we're gonna jump into After Effects right now and try to turn this into a GIF and see what it would look like with some fog over it. See if it would be too much or if it is just the right amount. Okay, we are all finished with the starting soon image, and I was able to get the smoke in After Effects, compositing some stock smoke footage that I found on the internet. I wasn't able to make it look good as a GIF. I think it was just it wasn't high resolution enough, but the just made an MP4 and have it looping forever works just as fine. I separated the foreground from the background so I could actually use 2 layers of smoke. So the front one is red smoke and the back is more yellow to match kind of the horizon line. Yeah, and it makes it look like greater distance, so I think it turned out really well. First time I've heard composited smoke like that. But yeah, so that's it. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I got to do a little graphic design with turning the Doom into Soon. And I think the type really matches up well with the Clobbering Time and the Doom typeface. Not really sure what it's called. But yeah, so I'm gonna send this out to Lumpy Meat. Make sure you go check out his channel so you can see all this cool stuff in action. Check out some other videos, subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you need any freelance design work. Oh yeah, and real quick before I end this video, I want to give a quick shout out to LA Gaming. You might know him from my last couple of videos. I did a character mascot logo for him, and he got some stickers made and he sent me a bunch, so thanks a lot. Go check out LA Gaming. Thanks a lot, dude. We'll see you guys in the next episode where we're gonna get some emotes taken care of.